Welcome back to the Up and Live Show. It's your boy DJ Rick, Up and Live, each and every week. Right here is the Up and Live Show. Every Saturday, don't miss it. This week, special guest, we got UK fiercest dancehall artist right now. The lady that everyone is fearing in the streets. You said it, you know, I know. Who we talking about? Welcome and set, little Dainty. How you doing today?
Hey, what's up? I'm good. I'm good. What up, everyone? You don't know Little Dainty in the building.
You see, she's just shining, all just glassy.
Glowing.
Just bringing a little presence to the set. I like
Most
it.
Definitely.
How you been doing since the last time
I've
we saw
been
you?
great. Just been putting in work, non-stop work.
You sound like Rihanna just now.
A lot of people say that. I don't know why. Because, I live here a long time, so I mix the Caribbean with the little British and the little American something. And you get this nice accent right here.
Hey, look a twinky twanky.
Yeah.
But listening to your music and then speaking to you, it's two different sides.
Really?
How for me, for me listening to a little into sex talk and then speaking to you now, it's like wow.
Well, in real life, I'm a shy person.
Is it?
A lot of people don't know that. I'm really shy. But once the music hit, once I'm on stage, it's like I'm a different person.
We can see that.
I just transform into a totally different
A
person.
totally
But
different person.
Leonie, which is my real name, very down to earth, very funny, very shy. Dainty, mad girl.
That's where the ranchiness comes out. That's where
Yes.
the sexiest, the diverse side comes
Yeah.
out. Yeah. So what's been happening since the last time we had you on the show? What have you been doing since then?
Well, the sex doll video came out. Have you seen it?
Have I seen the sex talk video? Who hasn't seen the sex talk video? That's the
Sex doll
question.
video came out. We've been promoting that. Looking to shoot the follow up for that, which is Now, the second single,
Okay.
the part 2 to Sex Talk. That should be coming out soon. We're also looking to shoot Title. You know that
Yes.
single.
The title, yes.
Title should be coming out the end of April. We're gonna release it
Wow.
for the
But
girls. Them
you're quite busy, as I can see.
definitely.
But I needed to address this question for me because
Sure.
in the UK space here, the dancehall scene is not as huge as all it would be in Jamaica.
Yeah.
But there's quite a number of females. But people, the streets are saying it's not just me because I share no size. I don't pick sides with anyone. But the streets are saying that you're at the top of the pile. How do you feel about that?
I mean, I have a brilliant team, and I have to say, big shout out to my team because them pushed me to the forefront as the first female of Glendivan Records.
Yeah.
We put in work. So, anyone wanna say that? Thank you, but I really want more female artists to come through because from day one, I always support
Yeah.
female artists. Even before I really took it serious, because I just took music serious last year, literally when I signed to Glendivan.
Yeah.
But I would like to see other female artists come through. You have the Lady D and Joy, you have Mercedes, Lisa, you have Little Keish. I would like to see them step up, isn't me? No
Yeah.
competition, but me I do my thing. You don't know. At DNT, a long time, I don't know.
Attitude as well. You see what I'm
Straight.
saying? This is what I'm talking about. She has the attitude. She has the stage present. If you see this young lady perform on the stage, you think so different. I'm thinking you remind me of a special dancer artist, Lady Sa. Does that name ring any bell to you? Do you take any tendencies from her?
I love Lady Sa. I watch her stage show a lot of time and just learn from her craft and add to mine, She's a lovely lady. I met her in person. She's so sweet. So yeah, definitely.
I can tell. I would like seeing the great things you've been doing over the last
Thank
couple
you.
of months, and we applaud you for that.
Thank you.
So in terms of your growth, because I remember last year, Smooth Face said, oh yeah, me have a little artist I forward you, and he was always like that protective of you. Is he still that way as he?
He still is. He's still my big brother. He's still, DNT, you need to do more, you need
Yeah.
to do this. He's still, because to tell you the truth, I haven't touched the studio and record a new song from the year start, to be honest. And him cuss me every day, DNT, you need to take a day and just come in at the studio and come do some music. But obviously, because I have few singles on the street, we need to get them out there more. Obviously, we need to cross them over to Jamaica, the Caribbean, Europe. So I just feel like I just want to push them to the forefront so people, yes, they may get more acquainted with those songs that's on the road now before,
Okay.
Music is in the pipeline. We know that because we have some stuff coming up, trust me. Them not normal.
So do you think that you have to go to Jamaica to get that
I don't
exposure you're
feel
looking
like
for?
I have to go to Jamaica, but you see the work that we put in the UK, and sometimes I feel like they don't appreciate it. Even our own people, I feel like they don't appreciate enough because for the work where we are putting in, I still go in the dance hall. Them want if we come there and perform free and them something there.
Yeah.
I mean, we're on a level now where everything we do takes money. So
Yeah.
if you're gonna put me for a show, obviously I'm a girl. I'm gonna need hair, more need outfit. You can't expect to just show up on a show and look rough, and then you're gonna tell me say when me reach at the door, me and my crew for pay. All them look rubbish there. I don't appreciate them. You see me? So it's just the standard now in the UK with promoters and artists. You have to start accept us as Yuga Booker Jamaican artists and treat us the same.
The
Not
same
because
way.
we're living here and you see us every day and stuff like that. We still need that good treatment.
Yeah.
So
But what is wrong though? What is wrong? What's causing this? Do you think that there's a reason for this, or is it just it's just coming out of nowhere? Is there something that caused it? Why do you think that this is happening?
I mean, as I said, I've been trying music in the UK for years. So I don't know what it is. I think of the unity because even when we try unite, it's still go back that we have a part. You understand? So I don't think it's the unity. I just think DJs and promoters just need to take the artists them who are serious more serious and deal with us very professional like how we deal with you. Because if you say rehearsal at 5 p.m. we are reached there
Yeah.
5 p.m. and there's a rehearsal and them someday, I think there's no seriousness in the business over here. They just laugh at us. I just think some people take it very serious. I mean, I applaud the people them who are supporting
Yeah.
the Glendevan and other artists in the UK. All the station that's playing our music, big up on yourself because, but not
They make
lie.
it possible.
Over the years, you wanna hear me can turn on 5 station and hear my song them
Yes.
from 5 stations.
Yeah.
So big move. All of the station and where I support my music, big up. But otherwise, I don't know, man. Something need to step up in the UK. So we not have to go to Jamaica.
Yeah,
Go
cause
try do it, isn't it?
I realize in the recent insurgency there's a lot of the UK artists going to Jamaica for
Yeah.
that break, which is very good, and I must applaud them. Applaud to the artists that's out there working as we speak this moment. But for little Dainty going back to Jamaica to perform now, how would you feel that you'll be greeted? Would they accept you, or what's your take on this?
I think they will accept me. I mean, I'm a good performer. I know how to carry myself. I think they will take on to me quick because I have the song that what the girls don't want to hear. You understand? And when you
know
talk
what?
the things that what the girls don't want to hear, once you have the girls on your side, that's it. So yeah, want to go back and for maybe 3 months and see what can go on. You never know.
Okay, so is it only dancehall for you? Are you willing to step over to other genres?
Yeah, definitely. I've got my EDM track coming out soon. It's called Super Freak. It's
Super Freak.
totally different. When you don't hear it, you'll be like, "What is that Dainty?"
Are we gonna get a bit of the EDM flavor this evening?
Yeah, I'll probably give you a little something.
See, you hear that? You heard it here first on the Up and Live show. Do not move a muscle.
Exclusive.
Exclusive going to be right here on set. But before that, the singles that you have out now, and can you just repeat them for me again?
Well, the first single that came out, you have Sex Talk, came out last year, May. It's
Yeah.
almost 1 year now. And then the Love Motion Rhythm is also out.
Yeah.
The second single now is out on iTunes and all good record store. You can just buy it. It mad.
I must say, the first time I listened to your single on the Love Motion Rhythm, I was taken back. I was like, all right, okay, it's interesting. I actually listened it on a level like low down first in my headphone, and then like no. I had to go and string up my speaker in my house. Wait till my kids are gone for school, and then the missus is out, and I'm like, yep, Love Motion Rhythm. I turn it up again.
No, it's a bad rhythm.
It is a very
Big up Smooth Face and Glendevan kind of find it. I mean, we always find about the rhythm there.
It is a very good
It's
rhythm.
up there with all of the big rhythm them we're on right now.
It is, and to be honest, for a rhythm that was made and produced here in the UK, it's surprising to be doing so well on the whole dancehall
It's
scene.
true.
Because normally you hear them in the UK, but you'll not hear them like in the dancehall scene
It's
in
true.
Jamaica. And that rhythm actually made the
It made the forefront in Jamaica and America and, everywhere else.
So you're in the
bun up.
Talk to me about this Glendevan team now. This GRNON.
Get rich now or never.
That's what it means. Get rich now or never.
Yes, it's now or never. So we just put it on the hat, smooth face, and Big Bro came together and just fling it on the hat them on the shirt and.
No, but it seems to be everywhere because everywhere I go, it's just plastered over the place.
Yeah, man, we try to get it out there. You soon can buy it for all the fans them that like the wear.
Yeah.
You soon can go online and get them. Yeah, Sex Talk hats also. So we are branded thing proper.
Which is right.
Yes.
So talk us through how people can find your music and how they can find you.
Well, if you want to purchase Little Dainty music, you can go on iTunes, search Little Dainty. Sex Talk will pop up. Love Talk. No. Love Motion Rhythm from the Glendevan team. Where you can find me, social media. Facebook is Liquor Dainty. Instagram is Liquor Dainty. Everything is Liquor Dainty. I'm one of them artists that will have one name. I don't Liquor Dainty 1 or Liquor Dainty 2. Liquor Dainty everything.
Yeah.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Yeah.
What else I have?
No.
Oh, follow my Snapchat. I'm kind of crazy on there. I will laugh. It's Liquor Dainty.
And I have a couple of viewers that are home right now, especially a couple of my male friends.
Yeah.
Who wanted me to ask you this question.
Tell me.
I'm gonna look at the camera and ask, is it single or is it taken?
None of.
You're in the you're okay. We'll skip that question to the side. Or let's talk about the single, the upcoming single, more likely.
Yes, title. The next single was produced by the rhythm was made by Smooth Face. The song was written by Temper RB Music. So I've got some good writers working with. Look out for that song. Trust me, the girls I'm gonna take on to it. I perform it for you today.
Definitely.
Yes.
So you hear it. She's gonna be right here in stage in a couple of minutes. But before we go, anybody wanna say last shout outs too?
Big up to my little bro in the building, Fearless DJ Chris. Make sure it's on a look out for him party the 30th of April. Don't miss it. See me again free ad, sorry. Big up my Glendevan team, and you see me I say Big Bro, Smooth Face, Meta, Jokey. You me I say a dope squad. Everybody, if I forget any name, don't kill me. You know, so we team big. Yeah, man, thanks for the support. All of the viewers, then will log on to Dainty and Glendevan team. Rick, I love what you do. Continue, and I'll fully support you, right?
You hear that? I hope I can get her back on the show again really soon, yeah? So stick and stay, don't move. Up next, we got Liquor Dainty right here on the Up and Live show.